generator maintenance. You know, you got to fire them up. I fire them up at least once a month, you know, if I don't use them. This is a Honda fuel injected EU 7000 IS. Alright. So my battery's dead. Here's some of the instruments. Here's you got your power. There's your volts, RPMs. Okay, there's voltage, 14 point something. That's hours. Now here you got a 240 and 120 switch. 30 amp plug here. See, I got it on the slow, being the fast idle. I can kick it down. See how quiet she gets? That's what you want for the campground, right? Here's the exhaust. Right there. Hear it? Barely hear it. Yeah, there you go. So you gotta fire them up, you know, at least once a month minimum. Okay, I got a full tank, and I usually drop a little of that red fluid in there, that saver. And then I've got this is my this type of plugs I got. They're locking. And then we lose power. See what I do here? Just plug in right there. Powers the whole house. But don't forget to pull the fuses out so don't back up into the wires and electrocute any electrical workers. All right, to the next episode.